Hi, Kimberly Ritter here with Homes by the Ritter Group at Carolina One Real Estate, and I am here at Lowcountry Orphan Relief. So we have actually volunteered time here putting together these packets, and today we are making a donation. So I just want to thank Caroline for meeting me here, and I want her to tell you a little bit about Lowcountry Orphan Relief because there were some things I didn't know. Caroline.
So we are so grateful for everyone that's helped donate for us, and for Kimberly, thank you so much for this opportunity. We are actually a support service for children that have been abused, abandoned, and neglected in the Lowcountry, and now all across South Carolina. But we provide these care kits for children filled with all the necessities that they are requiring, like clothing, shoes, and toiletries, and even backpacks for back to school time. So this is where the donations are going, directly into these care kits. And anyone that ever wants to get involved, we welcome you guys with warm, open arms, just the same way that Kimberly has done, and she's led by example. So we're so grateful for you guys.
Thank you, Caroline.
Yes.
Again, thank you, and we will put hashtags on here, so please make donations. Think about this. These children need your help. They need our help. And if we don't help, who will, right? So Lowcountry Orphan Relief, please look it up on their website. What is your website?
Our website is www.lowcountryorphanrelief.org. We're also on Facebook as Lowcountry Orphan Relief and Instagram, Lowcountry Orphan Relief again.
Very good. Thank you, Caroline, so much. Y'all have a great day. Kimberly Ritter with Homes by the Ritter Group at Kimberly Cares. Bye.